Good morning, class. This video will further supplement your understanding on how to determine the lower quartile and upper quartile of the dataset. I hope you finish this video because we will have our assignment at the end of this video. Okay, so let's have an example. The owner of a coffee shop recorded the number of customers who came into his cafe each hour in a day. The results were 14, 10, 12, 9, 17, 5, 8, 9, 14, 10, and 11. Find the lower quartile and the upper quartile of the data. When we say lower quartile, it is equivalent to quartile 1. When we say upper quartile, it is equivalent to quartile 3. Now, what is the first step? What do you think is the first step? Yes, you're right. Our first step is we arrange the data or the number of customers in ascending order. So we'll have this data now. Now, what do you think is our second step? Yes, you're right. We identify the number or total number of elements in the data set. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 number of total elements in a data set. Okay, now, what do you think is our third step? You're right. We identify the median of this data set. So what do you think is the median of this data set? You're right. 10 is the median or quartile 2 of the data set. Okay? Always take note. Median, middle. Saan yung gitna dyan? 10 ang gitna. Okay, now, what do you think is our strategy so that we can identify our lower quartile or quartile 1 and upper quartile or quartile 3? Tatabunan lang natin si median. Very simple. Tatabunan natin si median. And then, we count the remaining elements in the lower half. So, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 remaining elements in the lower half. So, ano ang gitna nitong lower half? Very good. 9 ang gitna ni lower half. So, that will serve as our lower quartile or quartile number 1. So, how about upper quartile? Ganun pa rin. Tatabunan natin si median or quartile 2 and then bibilangin natin kung ilang elements na lang ang natira sa upper half. Okay, we have 5 remaining elements. Now, ano ang center nitong remaining elements na to sa upper half? You're right, 14. Si 14 ang nasa gitna niyang upper half na yan. So, that will serve as our quartile 3 or upper quartile. Very good. Okay, ngayon, si maximum value natin is si 17 while ang minimum value natin is si 5. Right? Kasi si 5 ang pinakamaliit and si 17 ang pinakamalaki. Maximum. Okay, very good. So, this is our number summary. Okay? Minimum value, 5. Quartile 1, 9. Quartile 2, 10. Quartile 3, 14. And the maximum value is equal to 17. So, I hope you learned something. And this will be our assignment. Okay? So, I hope you answer this in a 1/4 sheet of paper. Okay? Thank you, everyone. God bless.